Hi everyone, Greg here. Now remember we went to Bali and we were always eating the Cap Cay or the Cap Cay. It was such a nice meal and well it made me lose weight and I really like that. But it also tastes really good. So when I got home I just started making it. And this is a recipe that we've come up with that we enjoy sometimes when we want some nice healthy veggies. So it's really easy to make and it tastes really good too. So let me show you what we use in our Cap Cay. Come on. So basically it's just some green veggies. I've got some cabbage here, got some bok choy, some carrots for colour. I use these frozen broccoli, they're really handy. Then I've got some garlic, ginger, chicken stock, soy sauce, oyster sauce, fish sauce, and some chicken. Chili is also an option if you want it nice and spicy. Now this is a freestyle, you can add any old veggies in you want, and you can leave the chicken out and make it a vegetarian dish also. But anyway, let's start making this. It's really easy. So let's start cutting up some things. Now with the carrot, you want that really nice and thin. So just really thin, as thin as you can get it. If you got one of those machines that like cuts thin carrot, use that, but try not to cut your finger off like someone did last night. You want them nice and thin so they cook really fast. Now the same with the bok choy. You don't have to use this, but I do because I like saying the name bok choy. But this cooks a lot faster than the carrots, so you can cut this into coarser bits. Same with the cabbage. Cut these into bits. Now with the chicken, we want to cut that into really thin slices as well, because it's something that you want to be able to cook really fast. So as thin as you can get them, and I'll cut them in those smaller bits. Alright, well that's all the cutting up done. So let's start cooking it. Alright, so let's start off with some cooking oil. I want to put some garlic in. About a spoon's worth. Whoa, boy! And now I got some ginger here. I want to use about 1/3 of what I added for the garlic. Oh boy. So I'll add the chicken in now. Get that browning. And I'll also add the carrots in because sometimes they can take a little longer to cook, depending how thick you cut them. I did cut some chili up too, so now I'll add some of that in. And this chicken's nearly cooked. So now I'll just add the sauces. I've got the oyster sauce here. You don't want too much of anything because it can overpower and make it really salty, this dish. So probably about a tablespoon of oyster sauce. I just want a dash of soy and a dash of fish too. Not too much. Now the soupy sauce isn't that strong a sauce, and you don't want it to be too overpowering either. So that's cooking nicely. Now I'm going to throw all the rest of the veggies in here. I've got the bok choy, got the cabbage. I've also got my favourite broccoli, the frozen stuff. I tell you what, this stuff's awesome. You're not paying for all the stems and everything, which you're throwing away. Plus it's like $2 for a bag, half kilo. It's like $4 a kilo. And you're saving money not wasting it on those stems. So go get yourself some frozen broccoli. Just give this a mix. Get the sauce all over those veggies. And because the Cap Cay is soupy, you need to add some liquid. So I've got some chicken stock here, just a mug's worth. That was hot too, by the way. I just boiled the water. So we've got the soup in the bottom here. We've got the veggies cooking. And basically all we need to do now is just let this simmer for like 10 minutes. So I'll put a pizza tray lid over the top. Wait till I hear that sizzling. Once it comes up to heat, I'll turn the heat down to a nice simmer and just let it bubble away for about 10 minutes. And then it's ready. Really easy. Alright, well, this is cooking. It's been cooking about 5 minutes. Let's take a look, because there's something else I really wanted to add. So that's reducing nicely. Something else that goes really well with this is some white pepper. And they usually do serve it over there with this stuff, so I'll add bits of this in. Ooh, that's too much. Ah, that's all right. Give it a nice peppery taste and flavour. Lid back on. 5 more minutes and boof! All right, well, it's been about the 10-minute mark. Take a look. The veggies have all reduced. It's nicely cooked. How fast and easy was it? The carrots are cooked. That's done. How easy was it? So now, how about I plate some up, whack some in a bowl, and tuck on in for the old Cap Cay recipe from Bali, Indonesia. Taste test. All right, well, let's plate some up. Now, this is a soupy sort of dish, so you will need like a soupy sort of bowl for it. Oh yeah, smells awesome. And it is served best with rice. And I'm just going to eat it on its own right now. Oh yeah, come at me. It just tastes so fresh and so nice and so healthy that I'm sure you're going to love it. Thanks for watching. Remember to show this video some thumb and love. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time I cook something. Catch you there.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen.